If you stand on that side, so don't face into the sun.
Yeah, will do.
Right, so what we're going to try and show you is how to do it, but I don't quite know whether we'll do it properly. So anyway, as you can see, the sediment is in the neck of the bottle, and the wine's clear. So we'll try and hold it at around about that kind of like 50 degree, 70 degree-ish angle. And then what we're trying to do is when this air bubble at the back comes nearer to the end of the bottle, we want to essentially pop it off, and at the same time we want to cover it with your thumb. So if you can do a movement which is popping off and covering up, whether it's this hand and this thumb or this hand and this thumb, it's up to you. I'm going to use this thumb to cover it and this hand to take the top off. And the idea is we swing the bottle like this, and as this air bubble comes nearer to the top, we'll pop it off. So here we go. And if you do it well, that actually wasn't too bad. You'll pretty much keep all of the bottle of wine. And it should be pretty clear. You mind getting a glass, mate? Let's just see in the sun how clear that. Does it look pretty clear?
Looks pretty clear to me, clearly.
Thanks, buddy.
That moose.
Yeah. It's good, isn't it? It's a brilliant wine. Yeah. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, well done.
That was good, actually.
At the end, this dog.